manifesting to purchase an E-Class? Then I have one. E-Class Limited Edition. This car comes with beige interior. It has automatic curtains, has Burmester sound system and also has tablet for entertainment. This car is registered in 2020 in West Bengal. It has driven only 60,000 kilometers. Comment E-Class to know the prices and to get full information. It comes with full service records. Available at CarCloud.